The No Frills Guide to Easy Camping. It was not that long ago that camping was the vacation of choice among families. Packing up the tent, the cooking utensils and the car full of food and heading off to a natural spot to enjoy lots of fresh air, non-electronic games and sometimes a spot of fishing. If this is not a treat you have yet enjoyed, read on for some great ideas for your next camping trip. Bring a large trash bag for dirty laundry, and keep it in a central location, suitable for everyone in your party. Let them pack their clothing individually, as this makes it much easier to find than if you pile it all in a community storage box or bag. Toss in a dryer sheet to any bag you want smelling fresh. Before you head out on your long-awaited camping trip, make sure the area where you plan to camp doesn't require a camping permit. If you happen to camp in a place that does require one and you didn't get one, then you could be facing quite a hefty ticket or fine from a local forest ranger. If you have a toddler, pack a blanket. You can lay it out on the ground and use it as a makeshift play area. Bring cars, dolls, or whatever items your child is into. They can play without getting too dirty and you can instruct them that they need to keep their toys on the blanket for safekeeping. This will help to keep things from getting too spread out. Pack what is necessary for your children. Camping is messy business. Kids love getting into dirt. Expect them to be all shades of dirty as the day moves on. Be sure to pack some extra clothes for your kids in case this happens. Prepare ahead of time. Camping is a great time, but it can be dangerous if you're not able to properly prepare. Without proper preparation, a camping trip can turn into a disaster. If you're going somewhere you've never been, do a little research about the land. Find out the weather, wildlife and the layout of the land. Before you bring your dog along for a camping trip, get him used to the idea with a little practice run in the backyard. Pitch the tent in an already familiar area, and let him sleep or play in it for a while. Bringing a dog can really add to the fun of camping, so long as the animal has been adequately prepared for the event. Make sure you are aware of what hospitals are close to your campsite and how to get to them. While you don't want to think about anything bad happening on your trip, it is a possibility. Certain injuries will necessitate a visit to the doctor, so it is best to know where to go before something happens, and you are in panic mode. So there you have it. A camping trip can be as simple or as complicated as you want it to be. Once you have purchased or borrowed the minimum camping basics, the country is your oyster and you are only limited by the amount of time you have and how far you can travel. Enjoy! Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.